What's up, guys, and welcome back to... Sorry, 1 second. Hey, I'm actually making a video right now. Could you just call me back in like 5 minutes?
Aren't you the one saying clients are your business? Answer my question.
Touche. What is it?
Well, I just went to an open house this past weekend, and I told them I was working with you, my agent already, but they said something about how they just wanted us to sign in so the seller wouldn't have came to their house. He seemed pretty hesitant, but I wanted to see the house, so I just wrote down my info, and now the agent just keeps contacting me. What the heck?
Wow. Yeah, that's not okay. Hey, let me call you back. You actually just gave me an idea. Hey guys, so change of plans. I was actually going to make a video on how to make Joanne's world famous sweet potato casserole, but the phone call that I just got from my client inspired me. So we're going to call this episode number 27, Can an Agent Do That? Open House Edition.
Racing mind, I know there's something wrong, wonder why. Tell me why. No.
Let's start this off by making it really simple for you guys. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sign a sign-in sheet, a registration form, or a birthday card to review a property at an open house. Sure, they can ask you, but you reserve the right to accept or decline. So according to Article 12 of the California Association of Realtors, aka CAR, Code of Ethics, agents are required to be honest and truthful in all real estate communications. So for an agent to make up a story in order to get your contact information, that would be untruthful, which makes it a violation. But for whatever reason, let's just say that I wasn't able to be present with you at the open house. Here's what you do. Walk into the open house. Just say, hi, I was just driving by and I saw your open house sign, and I'm currently working with an agent right now, but I hope you don't mind if I looked around. Simple as that. By letting them know that you're already engaged in a client-agent relationship, according to Article number 16 of CAR's Code of Ethics, it is considered unethical to solicit and offer the same services already being provided to that client by an existing agent. But let's just say that you wrote your information down and you get a call the next day. Just politely remind them that you're already represented by another agent, and to direct any questions to me. If this persists, just get me their contact information and I'll take it from there. Hey guys, just as a reminder, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's where all my videos are going to be. I'll still provide a link on my Facebook and my Instagram, but if you would subscribe on YouTube, just search iPatrickHim as always, and you'll have access to all my videos. And I'm pretty sure this link will take you there. Remember guys, share knowledge, share network, and share compassion. See you guys next time.